Hey woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts! Welcome back to DIY Tools and Equipment, your trusted source for the most innovative woodworking tool reviews and precision workshop upgrades. Today, we're diving into 30 new genius Woodpeckers tools for woodworking, and these American-made precision instruments are about to revolutionize your entire workshop. From ultra-precise measuring devices and ingenious jigs to breakthrough squares and innovative marking tools, Woodpeckers continues to deliver the professional-grade accuracy that serious woodworkers demand. Whether you're a master craftsman or passionate DIYer, these genius Woodpeckers tools represent the absolute pinnacle of precision, innovation, and game-changing performance. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our in-depth tool reviews, hands-on demos, and the latest precision tool releases. Let's jump in and explore the genius Woodpeckers tools that deserve a spot in your workshop. When precision detailing matters most in woodworking, even the smallest radius can make a big difference. The Woodpeckers Micro-Bearing Trim Bit is a 3/16" carbide-tipped flush trim bit designed for intricate routing projects with tight curves and fine details. Featuring dual-stacked micro-bearings positioned close to the cutting edge, it minimizes runout and vibration for exceptionally smooth, chatter-free cuts. With a 1/2" cut length, it excels at producing clean edges that require little or no sanding. Proudly manufactured in Strongsville, Ohio, this micro-bearing router bit offers unmatched control and precision. Perfect for toys, giftware, and detailed pattern work where flawless accuracy and smooth finishes are essential. Cutting framing lumber and dense hardwoods requires power, precision, and durability. The Woodpeckers Ultra-Shear lumber blade is expertly engineered for heavy-duty cutting with your Festool Capex saw. Featuring a 36-tooth alternate top bevel with raker design, it slices fibers cleanly and clears shavings efficiently. Its 2-degree negative hook angle minimizes self-feeding and tear-out for smoother cuts. Built with American-made steel, each blade is heat-treated, tempered, and tensioned for maximum stability and reduced vibration. The 260mm diameter, 30mm arbor, and 2.5mm kerf ensure compatibility and precision performance. Perfect for cutting construction lumber and thick hardwood, this blade delivers clean, flawless results while lasting longer and cutting faster. Precision layout is essential for flawless joinery, especially when markings need to wrap perfectly around corners. The Woodpeckers Folding Saddle Square is expertly engineered for that task, combining accuracy, strength, and elegance. Machined from a solid billet of stainless steel, this Collector's Vault Edition ensures enduring beauty and flawless performance. Its precision-milled edges and engineered joint eliminate play between halves while allowing smooth angle adjustments. It simplifies marking on 2 adjacent sides with unmatched accuracy. Perfect for layout work on square or angled materials, this tool delivers reliable alignment, professional results, and timeless craftsmanship for every woodworking project. Creating perfectly aligned miter fold boxes has never been easier or faster. The Woodpeckers Ultra-Shear miter bits are precision-engineered router bits designed to make grain-matched, foldable miter joints in just minutes. No complex measuring or joinery required. Unlike standard V-groove bits, these folding miter bits feature a micro-flat tip that forms a clean hinge point, eliminating the fuzzy bottoms common in traditional cuts. Available in 1/2" and 1/4" shanks, they handle materials up to 3/4 inch thick with smooth, consistent performance. Proudly made in Strongsville, Ohio, these durable bits deliver perfect folds, crisp edges, and flawless finishes, ideal for crafting boxes, cabinets, and precision wood projects. Accurate measurements are essential for flawless woodworking, especially when dealing with grooves, joints, and angled cuts. The Woodpeckers Angle Depth Gauge is a compact, pocket-sized tool that combines angle measurement and depth gauging in one. It measures grooves, box joint fingers, rabbets, dovetails, mortises, drilled holes, and stock thickness with precision. A milled scribing notch allows easy transfer of measurements, while the adjustable blade locks at common or custom angles. The scale is engraved in 30 seconds on one side and millimeters on the other, accommodating multiple units. Complete with a wall-mountable bracket, it's always ready for precise layout and depth tasks in any woodworking project. Precision, efficiency, and safety are essential for professional routing, but assembling all the right components can be overwhelming. The Woodpeckers router table packages bundle top-of-the-line fences, router lifts, tables, and accessories into 4 complete setups for a seamless shop experience. Each package includes the SFP Pro Universal Fence with 3 micro-adjusters for 1/1000th inch precision, mobile router stands with adjustable height, and a downdraft dust cabinet. Tables are machined from 3/4 inch phenolic sheets for stability and durability, with integrated grooves for the fence and miter track. Compatible router lifts, variable speed routers, and Woodpecker accessories enhance safety, accuracy, and productivity for any routing project. Accurate and repeatable taper cuts are critical for professional woodworking, yet many sleds struggle with stability and precision. The Woodpecker's taper sled rises above the rest with premium materials, a patented self-adjusting dual miter bar, quick-adjusting clamps, standard track clamp slots, and precisely spaced scales. Its base combines exterior-grade plywood, a resin-impregnated bottom, and a non-skid phenolic top, while the formed steel fence resists deflection under clamping pressure. Adjustable material hooks, track clamp slots, and knuckle or standard clamps secure workpieces of various sizes. Compatible with miter slots or rip fences, this sled delivers precise tapers, straight edges, and splitting natural edge slabs, making it ideal for river tables, tapered boards, and advanced woodworking projects. Precision engraving demands tools that deliver clean lines and lasting performance. The Woodpeckers Ultra-Shear engraving bits are expertly crafted, solid carbide router bits designed for detailed lettering, image engraving, and sign making. Available in 18 different profiles, these bits come in angles from 15 degrees to 90 degrees with pencil point and flat tip options, ensuring versatility for every engraving project. Built from premium carbide blanks and ground to tight tolerances, they offer exceptional cut quality and extended tool life. Choose from single flute or 3-flute designs for high-feed CNC operations. Perfect for CNC routers, templates, and freehand engraving, these Ohio-made bits guarantee smooth, precise, and professional engraving results every time. Precise squareness is essential for small-scale woodworking and machine setups, yet standard squares are often too large or unwieldy. The Woodpecker's stainless steel mini squares solve this with high-accuracy construction in durable stainless steel, part of the one-time Tool Collector's Vault Edition. Measuring 1 1/8 inches by 2 inches, they fit conveniently in a pocket or apron, making them ideal for quick checks on small parts, tool sharpening, board edges, scroll saw setups, and tight assemblies. Machined to 0.0085 degrees tolerance, these mini squares maintain their precision over time. Each includes a form-fitting case with mounting options and a machine-engraved manufacturing date, combining portability, durability, and reliability for fine woodworking tasks. Precise and clean dado cuts are essential for strong, accurate joinery in woodworking projects. The Woodpeckers Ultra-Shear Dado set delivers this with 12-tooth chippers that are significantly lighter without sacrificing strength. Featuring 5-degree positive hook angles on chippers and 5-degree negative hook angles on outside blades, the set ensures smooth feed rates, flawless cuts on veneer plywood, and clean square corners for exposed joinery. The set includes 1/4 inch, 1/8 inch, and 1/16 inch chippers with magnetic dado shims, plus options for ATB outside blades for sheet goods or flat top blades for solid wood. Made in America, it's ideal for dado, box joints, half laps, and through mortises. Routing along curves can be tricky and messy without proper control and protection. The Woodpecker's Freehand guard solves this by covering the bit for safety, providing 2 fulcrum points for starting cuts, and including a highly effective dust port. Molded from tough ABS plastic, it attaches to starter pin locations on any Woodpecker's router lift or StabilMaxRT plus benchtop router table, with 1 3/4 inches of clearance for routing thicker stock. Retained knobs simplify installation, while the acrylic shield protects from flying chips and directs debris to the dust port, compatible with 2 1/4 inches or 2 1/2 inches hoses. It ensures safer, cleaner freehand routing along curved edges with ease and precision. Getting a perfect plywood fit can be tricky when the sheet thickness doesn't match standard router bit sizes. The Woodpeckers Ultra-Shear Plywood-Sized bits solve that problem with 7 precision-engineered bits that perfectly match domestic and Baltic birch plywood. Sizes include 7 32nds, 15 32nds, 23 32nds, 6 mm, 9 mm, 12 mm, and 18 mm, ensuring ideal grooves and dados every time. Each bit features a down-cut spiral geometry for clean face cuts and smooth edges, even on thin veneers. Crafted with Super C high-performance nanograin carbide, they deliver superior edge sharpness, durability, and longevity. Perfect for cabinetry, furniture, and plywood joinery, these bits provide exceptional precision, cleaner cuts, and a flawless fit for every woodworking project. Accurate setup and layout are essential for consistently precise woodworking results. The Woodpecker Setup Square combines an 8-inch by 12-inch stainless steel square, machined to plus or minus 0.0085 degrees tolerance, with versatile features for precision work. It includes stops for scribing parallel lines, notches to guide pencils, and a caliper head for measuring irregular stock or setting depth on saws. Both arms of the square are of identical width, allowing 2 dimensions to be ready simultaneously. The included racket wall mount keeps it accessible. Designed for fast, accurate machine setup, project layout, stock inspection, and assembly checks, the Setup Square ensures professional-grade accuracy in every woodworking task. Precision and adjustability are essential for any router table to achieve perfect cuts. The Woodpeckers SF Pro Universal Fence brings compatibility with most router tables, including those with mounting tracks from 16 3/4 inches to 33 1/4 inches center to center, such as SawStop and GSM models. It features in-feed, out-feed, and central micrometer adjustments, with scales in both inch and metric, and 0.001 inch graduations for precise fine-tuning. 4 hidden bearings eliminate racking, ensuring perfect alignment. The front includes super track extrusions, sacrificial MDF faces, and variable pressure featherboards for safe, accurate cuts. Designed for perfect fitting joints, smooth micro adjustment, and versatile use, the SF Pro Universal elevates any router table setup. A well-crafted cutting board deserves clean, smooth juice grooves that enhance both function and style. The Woodpeckers Ultra-Shear Juice Groove bits deliver just that, featuring carbide-tipped 3-flute construction for superior cut quality and efficiency. Each bit includes a 30-degree chamfer leading into the cove, eliminating sharp edges common with ball nose and core box bits. Available in 3/8 inch and 1/2 inch coves with chamfers and a 90-degree V-groove profile, these bits provide versatile design options. Perfect for brushless palm routers and the Shaper Origin, they cut flawlessly with internal templates. Designed and made in Strongsville, Ohio, these precision bits add smooth, professional juice grooves to any cutting board project. Precision in woodworking starts with perfectly aligned machinery, and that begins with a truly straight reference. The Woodpecker's straight edge is a steel straight edge ground to an industry-leading tolerance of 0.0021 inches per foot, ensuring absolute accuracy. Available in 12, 24, and 36-inch lengths, it comes in 2 models, square on both edges or 1 square edge with 1 beveled edge for easier visual inspection. Measuring just under 1/4 inch thick and 2 1/2 inches wide, It stands upright for checking plane soles, router fences, joiner beds, and thickness planer rollers. Ideal for dialing in machinery and verifying stock for warps or twists, it ensures flawless results in every project. Precision cutting and clean joinery require chisels that combine sharpness, balance, and durability. The Woodpeckers bench chisels deliver all three, featuring blue spruce toolworks, 2 steel blades, double-tempered, cryogenically treated, and polished to a mirror-flat back with a micro-bevel for surgical sharpness. Each blade threads into a Woodpecker's octagonal aircraft-grade aluminum handle finished in signature red, with a stainless steel ferrule and set screw for easy removal during sharpening. A buffer transfers mallet force while reducing vibration. Available as a 4-piece set with a wall-mountable rack, these chisels are perfect for benchwork, precise joinery, and long-lasting woodworking performance. Accurate layout and precise joinery demand a versatile square that goes beyond basic angles. The Woodpeckers combination squares reinvent the classic tool by combining a meticulously milled 90-degree face with dovetail-specific angles in 3 versions. Perfect for hand-cut dovetails. Each square features a sliding head with an indexing button, scribing notches every 1/16 inch or 1 mm, and fully interchangeable 4-inch, 6-inch, and 8-inch blades compatible with many indexable squares. Use them to strike baselines, mark starting and angled lines, set router bit heights, or square saw blades. Available in inches and metric, they simplify dovetail marking and a wide range of joinery and layout tasks. Precision and versatility are essential for any woodworking shop, especially when switching between handheld and table-mounted routing. The Woodpeckers StabilMaxRT Plus builds on the original StabilMaxRT, accommodating most corded and cordless palm routers as well as mid-sized fixed base routers. Its 1-inch thick laminated Baltic birch tabletop is precisely routed to fit durable phenolic router base plates and T-slots for the adjustable fence. Legs and fence components are cut from steel, bent, and powder-coated for durability. Meticulously machined and inspected in Strongsville, Ohio, the StabilMaxRT Plus allows seamless transitions between handheld routing and router table work, delivering accuracy, stability, and long-lasting performance. Creating perfectly centered and consistent grooves on cutting boards can be tricky without a reliable guide. The Woodpecker's Juice Groove Jig solves this by quickly adjusting to any square or rectangular cutting board, guiding your router for flawless results. Constructed from 11-gauge cold-rolled steel with a durable powder coat finish, its 4 ratcheting rails slide to accommodate boards 10 1/4 inches to 18 3/4 inches wide and 3/4 inch to 1 7/8 inches thick, with optional riser blocks for thicker stock. No guide bushings or bit extensions are needed. Simply use Ultra-Shear Juice Groove bits. With easy setup, dust collection compatibility, and precision adjustments, this jig is ideal for cutting perfect juice grooves on cutting boards. Accurately setting up woodworking machines can be time-consuming without a reliable reference. The Woodpeckers 3D setup blocks are designed to improve the speed and precision of machine setups, providing an exact physical reference for adjustments. Crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum, each block is CNC milled to precise geometry, inspected optically to ensure strict tolerances, and finished with signature Woodpeckers red anodizing and laser-engraved graphics. These blocks are durable, consistent, and easy to use across multiple machines. By providing a repeatable, reliable standard, they help woodworkers set up machinery faster, more accurately, and with confidence, making complex setups simpler and reducing errors in woodworking projects. Creating professional quality cutting boards requires precision tools and reliable techniques. The Woodpeckers cutting board solutions provide everything needed to craft stunning boards for personal use, gifts, or business. Starting with benchtop board mills, you can safely and accurately mill boards flat using a router and spoil board bit, handling stock from 3/4 inch to 3-inch thick. The system includes router bits for pattern routing, juice grooves, finger grooves, pockets, and edge softening, along with two-piece templates for handles and charcuterie features. Optional bundles include pre-milled lumber, double face tape, and full tool sets, enabling woodworkers to produce professional cutting and serving boards efficiently and beautifully. Accurate measurements in tight spaces are essential for precise joinery. The Woodpeckers Micro-Square is designed to fit where other squares cannot, making it perfect for narrow openings and intricate work. Crafted with precision, its heads, drawbars, and lock knobs are machined on CNC Swiss lathes, while blades are laser cut and precision milled for exact edges. Each component is inspected with coordinate measuring machines and laser engraved with brand graphics, ensuring consistent quality. Compact yet precise, the Micro-Square allows woodworkers to check and mark angles in tight spots, making it an indispensable tool for detailed projects requiring high accuracy and professional joinery results. Starting complex woodworking projects shouldn't require building a custom jig every time. The Woodpeckers Joinery Sled streamlines setup by using your table saw or router table's miter gauge slot to guide a stable work table past the blade or bit. Its patent-pending leaf spring miter bar compensates for poorly machined or worn miter slots, while the adjustable base and sliding table provide precise positioning. 4 bearings ensure smooth parallel movement, and the micro-adjuster fine-tunes angles from 44 degrees to 91 degrees. Compatible with pivot clamps, track clamps, and sacrificial fences, the Joinery Sled allows cutting half-laps, sliding dovetails, bridle joints, and castle joints with unmatched speed, accuracy, and consistency. Accurate measurements are the foundation of every successful woodworking project. The Woodpeckers EZ-Rule is designed to be simple, straightforward, and exceptionally precise. Made from high-quality stainless steel, each rule is laser-cut, CNC machined, and finished with a smooth satin surface to eliminate glare. The scales and brand graphics are laser engraved for clarity, and every rule undergoes rigorous inspection to meet Woodpecker's strict tolerance standards. Compact, reliable, and easy to use, the EZ-Rule ensures fast, repeatable measurements for layout, marking, and project setup. For woodworkers who value both simplicity and precision, the Woodpeckers EZ-Rule delivers accuracy you can consistently count on. Keeping your tools organized and accessible saves time and frustration in any woodworking shop. The Woodpecker's circular saw racket mounts securely to your wall, holding circular and track saws in plain sight and ready for use. Made from 16-gauge steel, each rack is laser-cut, precision-bent, and finished with a durable powder coat for long-lasting protection. The design keeps saws off benches and out of cabinets, providing quick access while maintaining shop organization. Like all Woodpeckers products, it is carefully inspected to ensure quality and reliability. Perfect for any shop, the circular saw racket combines efficiency, safety, and convenience in a compact, durable design. Precision and consistency are critical when laying out or setting up woodworking machinery. The Woodpeckers Rabbet gauges are simple-to-use offset gauges with fractional dimensions ranging from 1/16 inch to 3/4 inch in 1/16 inch increments, ideal for accurate layout work and machinery setup. Each gauge is precision milled from solid aircraft-grade aluminum, inspected to meet strict tolerances, then tumbled to remove burrs and anodized in Woodpecker's signature red. The gauges are finished with laser-engraved graphics for easy readability and durability. Designed for repeatable, accurate rabbets, these gauges provide speed, precision, and reliability, making them an essential tool for woodworking projects requiring exact offset measurements every time. When perfecting joinery, precision adjustments are essential for flawless results. The Woodpecker's router plane delivers exact depth control and flexible blade positioning, ideal for both new and experienced hand tool users. Its blade mechanism offers 3 mounting locations, allowing maximum contact with the stock while maintaining the correct grain direction. The toolless fine-pitch depth adjustment screw and dual wedge clamp lock the blade securely, while a depth stop ensures repeatable cuts. Each plane includes a spear point and square blade, polished to a mirror finish, plus an optional fence for edge guidance. Crafted from ductile iron, aluminum, brass, and stainless steel, it smooths, flattens, precisely pockets, mortises, rabbets, grooves, and dados every time. When working on smaller table saws or band saws, having a precise adjustable reference surface is crucial. The Woodpecker's compact auxiliary rip fence delivers accuracy and versatility for these machines. Built with SuperTrack, it measures 36 inches long and includes two 7-inch material supports for in-feed and out-feed stability. Clamping blocks secure it to your standard fence, while the fence height adjusts for box lids, raised panels, thin rips, and template cutting. Accessory tracks accommodate feather boards, stops, and shop-made jigs, ensuring repeatable, precise cuts. Lightweight and easy to remove, it provides a longer, taller, and straighter fence for small machines, improving workflow and cutting accuracy. When precise measurements are critical, especially on larger woodworking projects, accuracy cannot be compromised. The Woodpeckers BigCal woodworking calipers deliver machinist-style precision with ease. BigCal features jaws that align perfectly between inside and outside references, letting you transfer dimensions without reading the scale. The stainless steel blade is engraved with 1/32 of an inch and 1 mm scales, and the reverse side allows depth measurements. The scribing notch ensures precise layout, while optional T-head and center attachments expand functionality for gauging depth and locating exact centers. Each caliper is carefully assembled and inspected, enabling fast, reliable, and repeatable measurements on any project. That wraps up 30 new Genius Woodpeckers tools for woodworking. Which precision tool are you most excited to add to your workshop? Is there a new square, measuring device, or ingenious jig you can't wait to try? Drop your favorites in the comments. We love hearing which Genius tools are making your wish list and how you'll use them in your projects. If you discovered a must-have Woodpeckers tool today, hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews, the latest precision tool innovations, and Genius finds you won't see anywhere else. Stay tuned for more hands-on tests and Genius tool discoveries coming soon.